Good morning. Myself Parveen. I am a biology NEET faculty. I have a 9+ years experience. Okay. Today in this video we will discuss about male reproductive system, which comes under the chapter human reproduction. Okay. Human reproduction is a very important chapter, as well as it is a very interesting chapter also. Every year in NEET they are asking more number of questions also. Okay, so then what is the meaning of the reproduction? Okay, so here re means again, re means what ma? Again, production. Production means producing. Okay, so here we are producing. Production means producing. What we are producing here? We are producing our progeny, our offsprings. Our progeny, or otherwise we are also saying our offsprings. Okay, so why we are producing our offsprings? To continue our generations. Okay, so to continue generations, after generations we are producing our offsprings. Okay, now, so by the process called as reproduction. Okay, so re means again, production means producing. What we are producing? Offsprings. We are producing our offsprings. It is a fundamental characteristics, okay, of living organism. Okay, now fundamental characteristics. So then I am not saying defining. So fundamental characteristics of living organisms to continue their generations. Okay, so then next afterwards, a human reproductive system, it is mesodermal in origin. Okay, so it is origin from which one germinal layer? Mesoderm. Okay, so we had 3 germ layers, no? Ectoderm, outermost one, endoderm, innermost one, and middle one, mesoderm. Okay, so mesodermal in origin. Okay, then humans are unisexual. They are showing only one type of sexual organs, unisexual, and from externally we can identify who is male, who is the female. Okay, externally. So then for that one we are using the term sexual dimorphism. Di to morphologically means external, morphism, sexual dimorphism. So we can easily identify who is male, who is female. Okay, now, so externally we can identify. Okay, so then later directly we will enter into the male reproductive system. I am not taking here the definitions which are present in this one chapter. So earlier definitions are there, Hana. So introduction part, gametogenesis, then afterwards what is that one? Insemination, age of ovulation, fertilization. I am not talking about that one. Only directly I am entering into the male reproductive system. Okay, so in male reproductive system, what are present? So here first one, primary sex organs are present. Primary sex organs, we are also saying sexual organs, anything. Okay, organs are present. Second one, secondary sex organs are present. Then another one, external genitalia also present. Okay, external genitalia. Okay, na? So here primary sex organs means what is that one? The organs which are directly involving in the formation of gametes. Which are directly involving in the formation of gametes. Means here those are we are calling testes. Okay, so testes are the organs. IS means singular, ES means plural. TEST, ES plural. Okay, so testes, they are the primary sex organs. They are directly involving in the formation of the gametes. So here testes also called as again gonads. Okay, na? So these are directly involving in the what ma? Formation of gametes. They forms gametes. Then what is the meaning of the gametes? Gametes means sex cells. Okay. Testes, they are directly involving in the formation of the gametes. So that those are the gametes means sex cells. So that's why we are calling these are the primary sex organs. Okay. Primary sex organs. Okay na? So primary sex organs also called as gonads. Okay. So in female, primary sex organs are the ovaries, but in male, primary sex organs are the testes. Okay. So here their one function is gamete formation and second one function is secretion, synthesis as well as secretion of hormones. Okay. What is that one? Hormones. So these hormones we are calling here androgens. What are those? Androgens, male sex hormones here. Okay, male, that's why we are saying male sex hormones, androgens. So in this one example, testosterone. Okay, so here testes, they are the primary sex organs. They are directly involving in the formation of gametes. Okay, so then that's why we are calling primary. And primary sex organs also called as gonads. Here two functions are there. One is they form the gametes as well as they also secrete the hormones. Okay. So those are we are calling here androgens. Next come to the secondary sexual organs. What are present here? Okay. Secondary sexual organs what are present here? Those are two types. Okay. Secondary sexual organs also called as accessory sexual organs. Accessory sexual organs. Okay. So in this one, first one is accessory sexual ducts. The ducts which are present here, those are we are calling secondary sexual organs, as well as again which one include in this one? Ducts, secondary sex organs, ducts as well as gland. Secondary sexual organs. Okay, secondary sexual organs also called as accessory sexual organs. Okay, so accessory sexual organs again two types. One is ducts are present. Second one is glands are present. Okay, ducts. What are those ducts? Here, one is rete testis. Second one is vasa efferentia. I will write down. Okay, here. Space not available. First one is rete testis. Second one vasa efferentia. Third one APD dimes. Fourth one vas deferens. Vas deferens. Okay, so ducts, the accessory are also called as secondary sexual organs, which are comes under here, which are comes what is that one under this one? Ducts and as well as glands. Okay, secondary sexual organs are accessory sexual organs. In this one, which one comes better? Ducts are coming and glands also coming. What are the ducts? One is rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. Rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. Okay, these are the four ducts which are coming under the secondary sexual, are also called as accessory sexual organs. Okay, then come to the glands. So what are the glands are present here? So then glands. In male reproductive system, three types of the glands are present. Okay, three types of glands are present. So first one is seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. Okay. Second one is prostate gland. third one, Cowper's glands, also called as bulbourethral glands. Okay, so here seminal vesicles, they are one pair, means 2 in number. Prostate gland only 1 in number, and Cowper's glands, they are also pair, means 2 in number. Okay, so then what will come under here? Secondary sexual organs, also called as accessory sexual organs. In this one, ducts are present and glands are present. Ducts are the rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. Then glands are seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Cowper's, also called as bulbourethral glands. Okay now, so these are the glands. Then next, last one, external genitalia. So this external genitalia we also called as, what we are calling, penis. Someone also saying penis, okay, but we are saying penis only. Okay now, so in this one what is included? External urinogenital duct also included. Urinogenital duct, urine, genital, semen. Okay, so means the duct which is passing urine also, as well as what is that one, semen also. But here one condition, when the urine is passing from that one, then semen will not pass. If semen is passing, then urine will not pass. Okay, so external genitalia. Next, now we will talk about the testes, where they are present. Okay, so then how they are. So like that, first we will talk about the primary sex organs. What are those? Testes. Okay. Okay, now this one we will discuss about testes. Okay na, so testes, they are 2 in number. Okay, so where they are present? They are present in pelvic region. Where they are present? They are present in pelvic region, means with way abdominal. Okay, so just below the abdomen, pelvic region. Okay, so then they are 2 in number. Pelvic, they are present in pelvic region. So in pelvic region, one pouch-like structure is present. What is present here? One pouch-like structure is present. Okay, so this pouch-like structure we are calling scrotum. Okay, so they are present in scrotum. Scrotum, it is present outside of the body, not inside. Outside of the body, scrotum is present. In this one, scrotum, okay, so oval shaped, pinkish color organs are present. Okay, so oval shaped, pinkish color organ present. So those are we are calling testes, and this one we are calling scrotum, also called as scrotal sac. Scrotal sac. Okay, so this one scrotal sac, it is actually highly pigmented, means dark pigmented. Okay, highly pigmented. Okay, pouch like structure ma, pouch like structure. Okay, so then in this one what are present? 2 types of muscles are present. 2 types of muscles are present. Then sweat glands also present. Okay, because of these sweat glands as well as the 2 types of muscles, I will give the name also. Muscles, it is act as a thermoregulatory organ. Okay, scrotal sac act as a thermoregulatory organ. Okay, thermoregulatory organ, na? Then how much temperature it is reduces? It reduces 2 to 2.5 degree Celsius. This much temperature. So here, what is the necessity of this one temperature? Less temperature. Why? Because it is for the formation of sperms. Then we are calling that process is spermatogenesis. Okay, so then the formation of the sperms and maturation of the sperms, maturation of the sperm, and after that what beta? For their development also. Development. Okay. So scrotum, it decreases 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius temperature compared with our normal body temperature. Okay. So why we need that one temperature? Means what is the necessity of this temperature? Means it is for spermatogenesis. Means the formation of the sperms we are calling spermatogenesis. Formation of the sperms. Then next maturation, development as well as maturation of the sperm. We need less temperature. Okay. So here that's why what we are calling, it is not present inside of the abdomen. Where it is present? Outside of the abdomen. So for that one we are using the term extra abdominal. What beta? Extra abdominal. Okay. Testes, they are present in scrotum. Why? Further, less temperature. Why they need less temperature? For the formation of the sperms. Okay, it is main. Then later development also, then maturation also. Okay. So then they are present outside of the body, outside of our body. Where? In abdominal region. So that's why we are calling extra abdominal. Okay. In some of the organisms, like elephant, I observed very well. Okay, so in elephant testes will not appear, sir. Okay, but in male goat or otherwise bull or ox, there you can easily observe. And another one is in dog also. So here extra abdominal, but in elephant they are intra-abdominal. In elephant and some of the aquatic mammals also intra-abdominal testes are present. But in humans, then as well as the remaining organisms, okay, testes are extra abdominal. Okay, so then so I didn't given the name of the muscles now. Here muscles are two type of the muscles are present. One is dartos muscles. So then another one is cremaster muscles. Okay, so two type of the muscles which are present in scrotal sac. Okay, those are we are calling dartos muscles, and another one is the cremaster muscles. Then again what are present? Sweat glands also present. Because of these muscles and sweat glands, scrotum it is act as a thermoregulatory organ. Inside that one, so these two testes or better, they are not attached with each other. They are segregated by a septum. So this is a what amma? Septum. Externally also we can find out a dark medium line, that is we are calling raphe. Okay, median ridge or raphe. So externally, what is that one? Raphe. Okay. So here what is this one? This is a scrotum. So it is dark pigmented, highly wrinkled. Okay, highly pigmented. So as well as a wrinkle also. Highly pigmented wrinkle. What is it one? Pouch-like structure, that is we are calling scrotum. It contains testes. One pair of testes, means two testes are present here. So left one slightly lower than right. Okay. So then afterwards two type of the muscles are present and sweat glands are present. That's why it is called as thermoregulatory organ. And spermatogenesis, for the spermatogenesis, development and maturation, we need less temperature. So here in scrotal sac it is possible how much? 2 to 2.5 degree Celsius. Okay. So testes are extra abdominal. Then yes, in 7th to 8th month of the, okay, when in gestation period means pregnancy period, 7th to 8th month of the pregnancy, they are descending into the scrotal sac. Means from here they are present in a abdomen region. From there to there slowly they are descending into the which one region, ma? Scrotal sac. Okay, intra-abdominal to extra-abdominal region. So here through which one they are coming, beta? Here there one canal-like structure is present. That is we are calling inguinal canal. Okay, inguinal canal. The opening, simply the opening which is present here, through which they are entering now. Okay, from intra-abdominal to extra-abdominal, means they are descending. Now they are upwards, means inside of the abdomen. Okay, now they are coming down. What is that? Extra-abdominal. When they are descending at that time, so from where they are coming up? Into the scrotal sac through the inguinal canal. Okay, so then testes, they are supported by or attached by one cord-like structure, that is we are calling spermatic cord. Okay, they are dorsal wall. Which one dorsal? Abdominal. Okay, so for example, this is abdomen, this one is the ventral part, this one is the dorsal part. Okay, so the abdominal dorsal part, they are arranged, what is it, attached. Okay, so then with the help of a spermatic cord. Okay, so what are present in spermatic cord? In this one, blood vessels are present. Next time, lymphatic vessels are present. Next time, what is it on? Vas deferens are present. Next time, again, nerves also present. Okay, so these all are, for example, here is a testes. Okay, now this is a spermatic cord. Okay, in this one what are present means these everything is present. Blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, vas deferens and nerves, these all are present in the spermatic cord. With the help of spermatic cord only, they are, which one side, beta? Dorsal side. Which one dorsal side again? Whose dorsal is this one? Dorsal abdominal. They are attached with a dorsal abdominal wall. Okay, with the help of a spermatic cord. Then next, come to this one, introduction about that, means where they are present, how they are attached, completed. Okay, now what is the color? Their color, they are pinkish in color, oval in shape, and 4 to 5 centimeter, 4 to 5 centimeter in length, 2 to 3 centimeter in width. Okay, they are pinkish in color, oval in shape, then 4 to 5 centimeters in length, 2 to 3 centimeters in width. Okay, they are smooth, soft organs. Okay, so this is about testes. Now we will enter inside of the testes. Okay, if we take that one cross section, how it is appears. Okay, na? So testes color pink, shape oval, then length 4 to 5 centimeters, width 2 to 3 centimeters. Then appearance, how they are? They are smooth. Okay, smooth and soft. So then next, now we are moving into the testes. Okay. Now, for example, this is a testes. Okay. Now this one testes by a layer. It's actually testes, they are covered by a dense connective tissue. In this one, now we are talking which one connective tissue here. The name of the tissue, tunica albugini. So tunica means that is a tissue beta. Albu word we are using for white. So this one here, tunica albugea, it penetrate into the inside of the testes and forms testes. Okay beta, divides testes into how many? 250 compartments. These are we are calling testicular lobules. Testicular lobules. Okay, each one testicular lobule contain here how many? Maybe 1 or 2 or otherwise 3 highly convoluted structures. Maybe 1 is present in 1, 2 is present in 1 or otherwise 3. Like this word beta, highly convoluted structures are present. Totally how many compartments? 250 compartments. If each one contain 1 means total 1 testis contain 250 seminiferous tubules, or if 2 means 500 seminiferous tubules. If 3 means what 750 seminiferous tubules. Now this one highly convoluted structures what are present here, we are calling seminiferous tubules. Okay, seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules later they are enters into rete testis. Rete testis enters into vasa efferentia, then epididymis, vas deferens. Okay, so then afterwards they form into means they what is that one? Collected duct from that seminal vesicles and form the ejaculatory duct, urinogenital duct. Hana. So here now we need seminiferous tubules. So each testis it is further divided into 250 compartments. Those are we are calling testicular lobules. Okay, they are maybe contain 1 or otherwise 2 or 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 seminiferous tubules in each one testicular lobule. Okay, so now when we enter inside of the seminiferous tubule, how it is present, what is present. Now for example, this is a seminiferous tubule. We are taking a cross section of a, for example, this is a seminiferous tubule. Now we are taking this one cross section of the seminiferous tubule. So then what we will find out here, one layer is present, that is we are calling germinal epithelium. Hana? So germinal. So epithelium, epi upon germinal, they are giving what is that one? Life to origin to some other cells. So here, okay, then here one more. So some are what cube-like structures are present, cells. Those are we are calling germinal epithelial cells, are also called as male germ cells or spermatogonia. Okay, germinal epithelial cell which tissues which is there, all the cells togetherly we are calling tissues only na. They are contain 2 type of the cells. Okay, so in this one type of cell is a Sertoli. These are that. Okay, Sertoli cells. These are Sertoli cells, and these are okay male germ cells. Male germ cells. So for this male germ cell we can also called spermatogonia. Spermatogonia means they are the mother cell. Okay, so then now the shape of the male germ cell, these are the cube-like cells. They are what is that one? Pyramid-like cells. Pyramid-like cells. Okay, spermatogonia, they are cube-like, and another one more type of the cells, Sertoli cells. They are which one type of pyramid-like cells. Okay. So here these spermatogonia they forms later spermatozoa. Okay. So then next this one cell, which one we are calling Sertoli cells, also called a nurse cell. It contain convoluted plasma membrane. This plasma membrane it is what better not in a proper way. It is it showing convolutions. Okay. So why? Because it giving nourishment. Okay. So Sertoli cells also called as nurse cells. Why? They are giving nourishment to which one? Male germ cells. They are giving nourishment to male germ cells. Okay. So then at that time these male germ cells means the afterwards we are calling when the male germ cells they form that is spermatozoa. Okay, before that spermatids, na, they all are embedded in the plasma membrane here in Sertoli cells. Okay, so then that means they are attached, embedded or otherwise attached with this one. Okay, for that one it's showing convolutions. Okay, so male germ cells and Sertoli cells. Now we will discuss about that spermatogenesis. Okay, so each one testis it is further divided into 250 compartments. So those are we are calling testicular lobules. Testicular lobules contain maybe 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. When we take the cross section of the seminiferous tubule inside, okay, it's showing two type of the cells. One is male germ cells, also called as spermatogonia, and second one is that Sertoli cells. Okay, so now spermatogenesis. Genesis means formation, and which one formation here? Spermato means sperm formation. The formation of the sperms or otherwise spermatozoa. Okay, what is that one, beta? The formation of spermatozoa. Okay, or otherwise sperms from male germ cell are spermatogonia. Gonia plural, glonium singular. Gonia called as spermatogenesis. Okay. So in this one, actually spermatogonia, these are the diploid cells. You know difference in between diploid and haploid. Hai 2n means diploid, n means haploid. Okay, what is this one ploidy? Ploidy means set of the chromosomes. Spermatogenesis, the formation of a spermatozoa. From where? From male germ cells, also called as spermatogonia. Okay, male germ cells also called as spermatogonia. That is we are calling spermatogenesis. Okay, so spermatogenesis process it starts in which one age? In puberty. Puberty means that is a 13 to 14 years of the age. In male, okay, puberty 13 to 14 years of the age. At that time spermatogenesis process started, but it is till continue whole life. Okay, so up to till death this process will takes place. Okay, so then the formation of sperms. Okay, completed now. Here actually this spermatogonia, what are those? They are the diploid cell. Diploid, haploid. What is the meaning of the ploidy? If one set of chromosome is one set of chromosomes are present, then we are calling haploid. If two set of chromosomes are present, then we are calling diploid. In humans, totally two set of chromosomes are present. Okay, Hana. So then total number of chromosomes 46. Then in pairs 23 pairs. In this one, we are getting one set means 23 chromosomes from the father. Okay, then 23 chromosomes from the mother. So one set we are getting from the father, one set we are getting from the mother. Hana, that is the ploidy. Okay. So these are the diploid cells. What are these? Spermatogonia. These are the spermatogonia diploid. Now these spermatogonia undergoes which one division? Mitosis. Okay. They are undergoes mitosis. So when they undergoes mitosis, they forms a large number of the cells. Okay, means to multiply their number. number will multiply. To multiply their number, they undergoes mitosis. When they multiply in number, in this one cell it is enlarged in size. Okay, so it is showing little bit differentiation compared with this one cell. Okay, so this enlarged cell we are calling primary. We write here primary spermatocyte. Cyte means cell. Primary spermatocyte. So how many number of the chromosomes are present? Here also 46. Here also 46 number of chromosomes are present. Here also 46 number of the chromosomes present. Now this primary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis. Meiosis actually it is a meiosis again two types now. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So meiosis 1 it is a reductional division, means 46 chromosomes are present. Now they are reduced into half, means 23. Okay. So then the primary spermatocyte undergoes division and forms secondary spermatocyte. Sorry, secondary spermatocyte. But here secondary spermatocyte it is what better? Haploid cell. Okay. Now this one is a secondary spermatocyte. Okay. So then immediately these secondary spermatocytes they undergoes meiosis 1 meiosis 2. Why meiosis 1 already completed? Sorry, meiosis 2. So here meiosis 1 it is a reductional division. Okay, reduced here. But here what beta it is a equational division, means what same chromosomes what are present in secondary spermatocytes, those are present in next cells also. So next cells what here? They are N. Here also, from here also N means they are, we are calling now spermatids. Spermatids now they also contain only 23 number of chromosomes. Okay, why? Because meiosis 2 it is a equational division. Okay, so then next afterwards what happened? They are showing differentiation. What are these? Spermatids, they are showing differentiation and they are forming spermatozoa. How this differentiation mark? So here this is a cell, it contain a flagella, means they forms flagella. So due to that they are different from the spermatids. Now these cells we are saying spermatozoa. Okay, spermatozoa. Okay, na? So then what is the difference in between spermatids and spermatozoa means? What is present here? Tail, flagella is present. Okay, so now in this one, so this one, first one is, what is it one? First one cell we are calling spermatogonia, male germ cell. It is contained 46 number of the chromosomes, means diploid. It undergoes mitosis and it forms numerous cells. Okay, multiple in number. In this one is differentiation. How? It is enlarged in size. Then we are calling primary spermatocyte. It undergoes meiosis. Okay, meiosis. In this one meiosis, first one meiosis 1, that is a reductional division and it forms two secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes, they are haploid cells. Why? Because half of the chromosomes are reduced here. Hana. So then this is which one is afterwards? They are immediately undergoes meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 it is a equational division. So from mother cell what are the chromosomes are there as it is what beta in daughter cells also they are present. Number will not change here. Okay. So then next secondary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis 2 and forms spermatids. Spermatids later they forms flagella. Okay, means they are showing differentiation and forms spermatozoa. Okay, so now in this one here, spermatogonia forms what is this one? Spermatid. Hana. So then afterwards spermatozoa also. Okay, so then again in this one spermatogenesis completed. Na? Okay, so for each one spermatogonia contain 46 chromosomes, but primary one 46 only, then secondary one 23, and spermatid also 23, spermatozoa also 23. Okay, so the spermiation means what is that one? Spermiation means the spermatozoa which are released into the lumen. From that they are actually embedded. For example, see, this is a Sertoli cell. So here, okay, head part it is inside and this is a tail part. Okay, so they are all of the cells embedded. Later they are detached from this Sertoli cell and enters into the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. Okay, lumen of a seminiferous tubule. From there to they are released. They are released out of the seminiferous tubule. Then that process we are calling spermiation. Hana. So then the spermatids, when they are forming the spermatozoa, that is we are calling spermiogenesis. So here three terms are there, beta. One is spermatogenesis is there, means the formation of the spermatozoa from the spermatogonia. One is, Hana. Second one is spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis means the formation of the, okay, differentiation. Hana. The formation of the spermatozoa from the spermatids. Means spermatids, they are develops the flagella and they are modified into or changed into what is that one? Spermatozoa. Okay, so that process we are calling spermiogenesis. Okay, this is spermatogenesis, this one is the spermiogenesis, means spermatids to spermatozoa. One more time. Okay, I am repeating. Spermatids forms spermatozoa. Spermatid forms spermatozoa. That process we are calling spermiogenesis. Genesis only. Here also genesis, here also genesis. There what is that one? Spermato, here spermio. Then next, afterwards, so these all spermatozoa which are, or otherwise simply we are saying these one sperms. These sperms, they are attached with the Sertoli cells. Okay, so later what happened? They are detached from the Sertoli cells, enters into the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. From there to they are released into the rete testis. Okay, where they are going now? They are enters into the rete testis. Okay, so at that time we are using the term spermiation. Okay, what is that one? Spermiation. So here it is the most important part, the schematic representation. In this one, they will ask more number of the questions also. More number of the questions means the number of the chromosomes, ploidy, and process names are there. Spermatogenesis, spermiogenesis. Next, what is that one? Spermiation. So three terms are there. Then after that, number of the chromosomes in spermatogonium, number of the chromosomes in the primary spermatocyte, in secondary spermatocyte, spermatid and spermatozoa. Okay. So then, here one numerical also there. Okay. So to form 100 sperm cells, spermatozoa, how many ma? To form 100 spermatozoa, or otherwise the sperm cells, we need 25 primary spermatocyte, 50 secondary spermatocytes. Okay. If they ask how many meiosis, then how many? 24 meiosis required for that one. Okay. So to form how many? 100 sperms. Okay na? 100 sperms, we need 25 primary spermatocytes. Then next 50 secondary spermatocyte. Means each one primary spermatocyte, where it is, each one primary spermatocyte will form how many ma? 1, 2, 3, 4 spermatids. Okay. Each primary spermatocyte forms how many? 4 spermatids, or otherwise we can say What is that one? Spermatozoa. Okay. So then, thank you very much.